Want to share a file on Messenger but don't know how to? I'm Emily, and in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to share a file on Messenger. Let's get started. First, open Messenger. Open any chat that you want to share the file to. As you can see at the bottom, we have camera icon to click and send pictures, voice message icon right next to the text box, and there is also an emoji icon. Next to the camera icon, tap on the four-dot icon. Here, select Files. It will lead you to the File Manager app from where you can select the files that you want to share. Then either tap and hold or select the file. This step depends on the phone model. For me, I am tapping on the file I want to share, then tapping on Select at the top. Then it's sent. And that is how you send any files on Messenger. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.